he sees cannot be seen. What he creates cannot be created. Venerable sir, respected juries, and notable ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. When honesty sleeps, corruption wakes up. When truth deceases, darkness emerges. These words recall us that corruption is not merely a crime. It is a spirit that follows every wicked act, every broken promise, and every soul conscience. Before initiating my speech, I would like to introduce myself. This is me, Zanjabila Farooq, and I am a student of 10th. Today, I stand before you to spotlight on a serious matter. Obviously, corruption, a monster that destroys nation without firing a single bullet. The monster is corruption. Corruption is a poison, slow but deadly. It eats away justice, kills honesty, and buries dreams. It is the culture why the poor remain poor, why the talented are disregarded, and why our beloved nation is still envious to rise. And yes, when we witness Pakistan, we examine how embezzlement has stolen its light. A region rich in minerals, mountains, and mindsets. Yet, its residents still suffer from poverty, unemployment, and lack of quality education. Hospitals are decayed, schools are broken, and roads are left undone. Not because Pakistan is deficient in resources, but because corruption snatched them. As we know, Pakistan has 4 provinces, but if only honesty ruled, then corruption please, Balochistan will shine like a jewel in Pakistan's crown. Venerable sir, vanity is not just when a minister takes bribe. It is when a student cheats in exam. It is when someone buys a job instead of funding it. It is when truth is silenced and lies are appreciated. That too is corruption. We reside in a world where people build big houses, whereas having small hearts, where power matters more than principles, and where honesty has become rare, like a diamond lost in dust. But we juries, but keep in mind, no nation can rise on the foundation of corruption. A building made of lies will always fall. A system without justice forever collapse, and a society that forgets integrity neglects its future. So let us not wait for the authorities to alter the country. Let's be the change. Let's say no to cheating, and let's refuse to dishonesty, and for everlasting, let's deny to bribery. Because our nation's strength does not come from its wealth or its weapon. It comes from the truth in its masses and purity in their hearts. So, esteemable audience, so let's guarantee today that we will live with honesty, speak with courage, and act with integrity. Allow us to be the generation that ends this silent killer. Empower us to build a nation where truth stands taller than money and where justice shines better than greed. Before I sum up, let these lines echo in your minds. When corruption ends, justice begins. When honesty leads, a nation wins. The brightest stars are those who stay true. So let truth and courage shine in you. Rise, my friends, rise. With truth as your sword and honesty as your crown. For the future belongs to those who refuse to bow down. So let's build a Pakistan where truth stands tall and corruption falls forever. Long live honesty, long live justice. I express my gratitude to you. Thank you.